Hello, this is Mr. Parks with the video for 3rd grade for Friday, March the 20th, covering the work from the 19th. And I have our faithful math assistant Ernie here. He is excited to be able to help you guys practice your math skills. So he has diligently looked over our problems for today and noticed I did make a few mistakes in marking things, but we should have that cleaned up for you. So he's going to rest on the couch while I go ahead and talk you through the problem. So number 1, I accidentally marked that, and I meant to mark number 2 instead. If anybody tried this one, the answer would be letter B. You would find that out by the fact that there are 7 rows of music notes. So let's start with number 3. Which multiplication equation can be used to solve this division equation? So if I'm working with 7 as one of my factors, I don't know what the other factor is, my answer is going to be 14. That would most closely match with letter C. Number 4, which equation will be true if we put the number 9 in the box? So option A, if I did 64 divided by 9, I would not get an even number. The second one, if I do letter B, 3 times 3, that does equal 9. 72 divided by 9 equals 8, and 24 divided by 9 would not give us an even number. Number 2, which set of equations has the same unknown number? If I do 6 times 7 to get 42, and I do 42 divided by 6, I will get 7, and that is the answer. All of our other options don't work for a variety of different reasons. So for instance, if I were to look at number C, if I do 3 times 7 to get 21, 12 divided by 3 gives us something different because we're not starting with the same number. Number 5, what is the value of the square, which represents an unknown number? I can do 9 times 5 to find the answer to that, and it should be 45. Number 6, each equation has an unknown value. Select the boxes to show whether the equation has an unknown factor, an unknown divisor, or an unknown dividend. So we are just going to look at what place in the problem it shows up. So the triangle for the first one, the first number represents the dividend, the middle number represents the divisor, and the answer would be the quotient. If I am doing a multiplication problem, both of these numbers would be factors, and then the product would be after the equal sign. So for the first one, I have an unknown dividend. The second one, I have an unknown factor. The third one, I have an unknown factor. The fourth one, I have an unknown divisor. And the last one, I have an unknown dividend. Number 7 was my other one. I was looking at a different set of questions for a different class and accidentally marked that. For anyone curious, I could do 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for that, and that would give me 28. So that would have been letter E and letter A, and possibly letter C. So it would have been these 3. Working with 7, 4, and 28. Number 9, does the value make sense if we change the box to a 6? So 24 divided by 6 would give me 4. That does not work. 30 divided by 6 gives us 5, so that will work. 40 divided by 6 does not give us an even number, so we're not going to pick that. 36 divided by 6 does give us 6, and 63 divided by 6 does not give us an even number, much less 7, so that one would be no. Number 10, I accidentally marked that one instead of number 9 for the same reason. Let's skip down to number 12. So number 12, it's a little blurry on this. So 2 berry snack packs cost $3 each. So I've written down for part A, where we're solving for that, what we would be looking at. The equation would be 2 times $3 equals $6. Part B, we are looking at 3 banana snack packs at $4 each. 3 times 4 gives us $12. And Alex would be correct for part C because $12 is equal to $6 times 2. So those are all of our problems for today. If you have any questions, go ahead and let me know. Actually, I'm going to do a cut and try this again in 3, 2, 1. So those are all of our problems for today. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email or message on Class Dojo. If you did any extra problems and need the answers to those, you can also ask me for that, the answers to those as well. Hope you have a great day, and we will see you tomorrow. The video for Friday's work will come out at 6 p.m. on Friday, so just a note about that. We will see you tomorrow.